Ma'am, and I would like to know about what is the benefit of having memberships in associations like IAPSM and other relevant associations, and what is the role of conferences these associations conduct? Should I participate in those conferences? Should I take membership of those associations?
Yeah, definitely. Starting from your these seminars and journal clubs and your case presentations and going to these conferences also, these all are helpful. Like you were asking to improve in research also. So in these journal clubs were very helpful, and seminars in gaining the knowledge, and case presentation in improving yourself for taking your stage and how you are going to deal with the patient. And like that only, if you are going to conferences, you will get many updates about the diseases. And after that, if you will get a certificate, it will improve the skill also.
Okay.
So definitely it is helpful.
Being a member of any association is a benefit to you only. Okay, so my suggestion is take membership from my IPHA, which is a wider body, because IPHA usually covers the members of IAPSM and other public health experts also. So if your faculty is insisting, then take IAPSM. I won't object it. But attending conferences is a must for us. So being a guy in a public health, networking is a must for all of you. So if you are isolated, then you are gone. So being in network is an essential thing to become a public health expert. So conferences are a good opportunity to get an exposure, to get some new networks. So it is a must for you to attend the conferences. My suggestion is attend whatever conference that is possible for you to attend. So if your faculty is telling that go to this conference, just go. So me spending 10,000 for a conference is not a matter for you. My idea is it doesn't matter, because you will be getting much more benefit than that. And you are spending those amount some or other way if you don't attend the conference also. So better do it in a purposeful way. You will get more friends. You will be getting an opportunity to meet a lot of experts in the group, and you will get to know about what is happening around you. So being isolated in your department itself will not tell you anything about what is happening around. So reading news, reading about journals will add some much. But if you want to get more exposure, conferences are a best gateway. Go to the conferences, chill, learn to the experts, and develop your network. And anyhow, it will be a relief for you now. From day-to-day departmental activities, you are going to your conference, you are getting completely rooted out from your department, and you are enjoying. So just enjoy the conferences. Being a PG student, you should be eager to go to the conference. Okay, it is a time. It is a time where you get time to get exposure to all these type of events. So you are the tomorrow's leader. So if you are not attending the conferences now, you are not taking a membership in the associations, then how can be a leader in the coming future? So my suggestion is take the memberships. IPHA is a must. IAPSM is your optional, and IEA, Indian International Epidemiological Association, is a must for you. So take those memberships. It is good for you only. So if you are attending the conferences with those memberships, you will be getting a rebate of nearly 1,000 rupees as a membership access. You are getting a membership discount of nearly 1,000 rupees for those conferences. You will be getting privileges. So it is better to attend the conferences and get memberships also.
Okay.
Those are really useful for you.
Okay.